Can't drill hooks into your wall or tile? Here's a cheat. These hooks look exactly like bathroom hardware, but they aren't. Just peel and stick and you have expensive looking hooks anywhere you'd like. No installation needed.
This is the Tile Slim Bluetooth tracker. Connected to your phone.
This lightweight beach table has 4 built-in cup holders and comes with 4 deli containers so you can enjoy your favorite snacks without getting sand on them. There are 2 phone slots and a tray to
tab. If you hate your liquid spilling when traveling, you need these leak-proof travel covers. Just slip them on the top of your toiletries and you're good to go. No spills. These work great on your shampoo, conditioner, lotion, sunscreen, water bottles, salad dressing, and so much more.
Next up is this ultra luxurious stone drying mat. It absorbs water quickly, dries incredibly fast, and looks great on your countertop. And it doesn't take up a lot of space. Last up is this lid and spoon rest to use while you're cooking. You rest your lid on one side and utensils on the other to protect your countertop.
Starting with my cord bundler. I have this on all of my small appliances, and yes, I've tried the other ones, but this one is the most sturdy and reliable. Next is this dusting wand for my powdered sugar. This herb pod can help keep your greens fresh for longer. This space-saving utensil holder is great if you have limited drawer space. This heavy-duty lid and spoon holder. I always take these scissors with me when I travel. It's seriously the best. This battery milk frother is something I use every morning, and of course, this small silicone mat to hold my dish soaps.
you don't like your hand touching the toilet seat to lift the lid, grab these rental-friendly lid lifters. It allows you to lift the seat on the outside instead, and maximize cabinet space in your laundry room or pantry with this gadget. It holds onto laundry room items like dryer sheets or rolls of plastic wrap or aluminum foil in your pantry, keeping your home a little more organized.
No clue where to put your blow dryer? This peel and stick option is super sturdy. No hardware installation needed. It has a holder section for your dryer and cable wrangler for easy access in your bathroom vanity or bedroom.
This looks like a regular handbag, but it's actually a toiletry bag that's surprisingly really spacious. It comes with a removable bottom pouch, a few containers, and a chain if you want to wear it as a handbag. Second is this toothbrush case that sanitizes your brush using UV light.
This light requires no wiring and will magnetize to the base. It has a smart sensor mode and can be easily taken off the wall for an on-the-go light source. This can be used in any area of your home. You just plug it in to recharge. Disposable hair drain catchers come in a pack of 25 or 50, are waterproof, last 2 to 3 weeks, and will prevent your drains from getting clogged. Next are these mini cosmetic spatulas, which will help you measure the perfect amount of product and avoid using your fingers to keep things sanitary. Last, there's so many uses for this silicone tray. You can use it in your kitchen and bathroom, and it's also heat resistant.
If you are looking for a safe and easy way to clean your sharp kitchen items, this under $10 blade brush is a perfect solution. It features a unique wraparound design and opposed bristles for easy cleaning. Depending on what I use the knife for, I give this a quick wash or throw it in the dishwasher on the top rack. If you don't like to touch the toilet seat lids, then grab this set of 2 lid lifters. Simply remove the stickers off the adhesive and place on whichever side you like. You can sanitize the lid tabs as needed.
First up is this little ball that you can throw in the bottom of your purse to collect any dirt, dust, or crumbs. Anything it collects will just stick to the inside, and then you can just rinse it off and reuse it over and over. Next up is this bag hook that's perfect for when you're out and about. It allows you to hook your bag to a table, a bathroom stall, your stroller, and even your car's headrest. And it's designed to hold up to 33 pounds. Last up is this lint roller ball. If you have pets like me and constantly need a lint roller, this one is great because it's super compact and doesn't require any paper. Once it's full, you can just rinse it off to reuse.
Amazon favorites. These foldable storage bins are great having in your car for groceries. They also come with lids so they can be used as storage or side tables for your home. Lastly, they're perfect as picnic tables or for camping.
These silicone hooks are incredible. I'm using them in the bathroom for my kids' toothbrushes. And let me tell you, their toothbrushes have never been so organized before. But these are also great for keys, razors, hooks, washcloths, so many different things you can hang from these. Love the multifunction.
Get ready to say see you never to messy toothpaste tubes and hello to these Squeeze Me self-closing caps. You simply throw out the original cap and replace with one of these. So easy to use, and the best part, mess-free every single time. Comes in a pack of 3 and great for both adults and kids. Like and follow for more Amazon finds.
This 14-piece non-stick food storage set is also oven safe to use as bakeware. You can also build on-the-go bento boxes with the dot inserts when meal prepping. The set comes with storage straps to take food on the go. The containers are microwave and dishwasher safe, and the storage organizers magnetically attached to store each section together or separate.
This mini folding table is a perfect companion to take to the beach, pool, or camping. And it also folds up so you can take it in your suitcase. We also love these playing cards that are super durable and are sand and waterproof.
Shoes are probably the dirtiest thing we own. If you don't want dirt and germs from your shoes to be tracked around the house or office, this automatic shoe cover machine is your solution. You can also use it before you leave to not ruin your shoes in unpleasant weather. You just load it, keep it by the front door, and stick each foot inside.
Amazon Kitchen must-have. This is an organizer for your yogurt. It holds 4 containers of yogurt. Just add the sticky tape and press it into your fridge. You can place it on the top or the side. This helps to save so much room in my refrigerator.
This is a door stopper that you can attach to the bottom of your door, and then it's readily available for whenever you need to use it. Secondly, this is the perfect step stool to use around the house as it's very light and it comes in a bunch of different sizes and colors. First is this squeegee that works really well on removing condensation in the shower, mirrors, and windows. Second is this cute automatic trash can that's designed to fit narrow spaces. First is this tray that clips onto the armrest of the sofa. It's very sturdy and impressively spacious. Second is this decorative box that allows you to hide anything that's laying around, and it comes in a bunch of different sizes.
This countertop snack dispenser has a wide enough mouth to easily pour out pasta, small snacks, rice, beans, cereal, oatmeal, and even dog food. This waterproof mat protects your under kitchen sink area from leaks and spills. These multi-purpose silicone mats act as a splatter guard and microwave mat, pan grabber, jar opener, utensil rest, trivet, and are easy to clean.
Ice tray with a built-in storage box. Once the ice in the tray has frozen, you simply flip the tray upside down and then press down to release it into the box. Instead of having to buy baking soda, this rechargeable deodorizer goes right in your fridge to help eliminate odors.
One of the first items I bought for the new home is this microfiber dish drying rack. I love that I have a spot to temporarily store the dishes that I don't put in the dishwasher. I also really like how pretty the design is. It folds up for easy storage and you can throw it in the wash too.
This mixing bowl set each comes with airtight lids that turns into Tupperware, and each lid has interchangeable discs that let you grate, zest, and slice food. These lids also act as splatter guards when mixing ingredients. These bowls are fingerprint proof, have non-slip bottoms, handles, pour spouts, and measurement marks, so prepping, storing, and serving food will be a breeze.
Amazon cleaning finds. This 7-in-1 steam mop cleans all types of floors and easily converts into a handheld steam cleaner, so you can deep clean your counters, oven, and other surfaces. Change the attachment to clean furniture, your grill, and steam clothes. This biodegradable cleaner removes hard water stains and scum built up on shower walls and seals them for months. And this Magic Broom's sleek design allows it to clean hair off carpets, clean up spills, and broken glass. It can help you pull out things stuck under furniture or appliances and can be easily cleaned.
If you always spill your drink, then you need this gadget. This is the Couch Coaster. It is a weighted armrest that works to hold your mug, drink, remote, and even phone. It is anti-slip, so you don't ever have to worry about spilling your drink.
This fully adjustable bed caddy slides under any mattress and comes with 2 USB ports to charge your devices. It holds tablets, books, magazines, remotes, and your drink, and adjusts down when not used. Make shopping and running errands easy and fun with your own super lightweight shopping cart that you can configure 3 different ways. It fully expands out, comes with a reusable box for groceries and errands, is designed to go upstairs to easily put items away, and is super easy to store in your trunk. These coffee mugs come with a lid to keep your drink warm, prevent spills, and doubles as a coaster. This stamp comes with an ink protector and is perfect for covering info before you throw it away. This electric candle lighter has an adjustable neck to reach into jars where the wick is lower. And the double-sided design of these shower curtain hooks allows you to hang or remove your shower curtain and liner separately.
One of my favorite items in my house is our shoe cabinet. It's 3 tiers and can hold shoes from kids to adults. It's quick and easy to mount to the wall and it has a sleek design, so cut the clutter in your home and snag one of these. Be sure to like and follow for finds like this.
Storage space, here's a few shortcuts. All your baking needs are designed to fit in this one deep baking pan. They are all non-stick and stack perfectly inside each other with 2 baking sheets as the lid. Next, these nifty handles on the pot set are detachable so they don't take up your whole cabinet. It also makes them perfectly stackable, not wobbly and crooked. I can literally fit double the cookware. Plus, it came with airtight lids to stick leftovers right in the fridge, no container transfer needed.
All of your grilling accessories readily available in this 7-compartment caddy. It is so convenient to have silverware and plates ready to go. Never run back in the house again for condiments or spices. These hooks help the chef stay organized. And the paper towel holder is great for cooking cleanup or when it's time to eat. Keep outdoor cooking easy this summer with this grill caddy.